Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is my 2020 to 2021 present from March of last year of 2020 to March of this year. Almost right down to the date. On March 6th of 2020, I ordered all my rocks for my basement, and then we started jackhammering, and here it goes. This is my best way of giving you a time lapse to show you what we've been doing. And also for one of my popular videos right now on how to fix cracked basement walls, check out that video. I'm going to be updating a new video to that video right after this video, alright? So check it out, alright? Have yourselves a great day. Thank you and night for watching my best time lapse I could try to give y'all.
What we do here is go back.
Big